Hi everyone, this is Aya and I have a couple of Destashes for you, and let's get started. So the first one is a mixed media box. This was from the previous Destash, so I added so many stuff. So let me show it to you. And I think I will need bigger box. I would see, maybe I will ship it in 2 boxes. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But anyway, let me share with you what you're going to get. Okay, first you're going to get this machine. It's a die cutting machine by Spellbind. It's a small one. It's working perfect, but the thing is there was like a hinge, so you can so it will be stable or suck, I think, in your table or in your desk, but it's broken. Other than that, it's working. And I have all the plates, and I'm going to put them there somewhere here in the box. Okay, then we have 2 rolls of washi tape, crocodile punch, a bunch of beads and things for mixed media. Then we have inks, lots of inks. All of them are working. They are not juicy, but they're stemming very well. I'm gonna show you now here all the colors. Okay, then we are gonna get Milo marker. This is alcohol markers, and this is Novo markers, brand new. This is orange shade. Also, you will get these brush marker, watercolor brush marker, and these coloring sheets by Simon Says Stamp. It's a watercolor, so you can use it, with the brush markers. Also, this is a book by Rima for watercolor. You will get 2 watercolors pens by Art by Marlene. This is metallic and this one neon. Bag of flour, this one, I don't know, goodie bag or something. More inks. Let me put all the inks here. More Distress inks and Sizzix inks. This Distress glaze. Then inside here you're gonna get all of this. So we have refill for Distress Oxide. I think there are 2, green and black. Then there is a couple of refills for Distress inks, maybe 5 or 6. Then I think 20 of these patina. This is to color metals. That's why I include a bunch of metals here, so you want to color them. Then you have 50 spray Lindy's Stab Gang. They are working. They're working. Not they're working. The colors are perfect, but the nozzle are broken. Most of them, it's not working. So, yeah, most of them, they are Lindy's, maybe 1 Alto New. And this is Dilution. This is new, just you're gonna add water. I think there is also Distress ink here somewhere. So yeah, this is a great deal. So this is mixed media box. Let me show you the next box. Okay, the second box is wooden stamps. You see, this is full, and this is really full. So it will take forever really to go through everything. But what I'm going to say that I'll try to find a bigger box. Maybe a large priority or maybe a large box, and to ship it for you. Anyway, so I'm asking for this box $50 plus shipping, plus $20 shipping. So I'm asking $70. So I'm asking $70, $50 for all of these wooden stamp, and I will ship them in priority box. Large ones to be $20, 21, something like this. Yeah. So yeah. So most of these are, brand new, mix and match of everything. Okay, here most of them are used, like it has a couple of inks. This one is new. What else? I can't show everything, but let me see. Anyway, so yeah, if you're interested, just message me. So you have $70 for the wooden stamp box. Thanks, bye.